We had an antique system to keep the basement dry. The system began to fail due to age, and about 2 years ago we started getting flooding. So we started looking for a system that would help prevent this. Went through the internet and found Frontier Basement. Good rating, sounded good. Called them up and told us, well, this is what we can do, showed us the system. They went ahead and put the drains in, then they laid their drains on the inside, everything. They ran several gallons of water through it to make sure it all came out. They had some extra gravel. He told me I had a little pothole. He moved his truck and hand carried it down and filled up this little pothole. He went out of his way to leave everything better than it was when he got here. They seem to have cared about me being happy as a customer 10 years down the road. I would highly recommend Frontier Basement Systems. They did a great job.